In this video, I will show you how to create a copy of your WordPress database. First of all, make sure to be logged into your hosting account and then go to control panel area such as cPanel and then locate phpMyAdmin. Let's go ahead and open it. Within the phpMyAdmin dashboard, on the left, you'll see a list of databases. Then go ahead and locate the database which is associated with your WordPress installation. As in my case, this database is associated with my WordPress installation. Let's go ahead and open it. And then click on Operations. Then locate Copy Database to section. And let's create a name. Let's call it WP_copy. Then select Structure and Data. And for the other options, make sure to select the Create Database Before Copying, Add Auto Increment Value, and Add Constraints. Click on Go. And the database should be copied in a moment. And the process has been completed. Now on the left where you see the list of databases, the copied database is right here, WP_copy. And if we open it, here are the tables. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.